How to log into EAFC Companion app. Hello guys, I'm Atticus from Create Login and Delete, back with another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in to EAFC Companion app. So let's just get started. First, go to your app store and search for EAFC. After you do so, just download it, or if you already have the app, you can upgrade it too. So after you do this, tap on open and just open the app. It might take some time depending on your speed. So after it loads, just tap on login and you can log in using your email ID or phone number or your password. So after you do this, tap on sign in and you'll have signed in. If you don't have an account, you can tap on get started and you can create an account too. So that is pretty much it for the video, guys. That is how you log in into EAFC Companion app. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave it down in the comments. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.